Hey EDU 5111 students, Dr. Branch here, and I wanted to show you around week 6. As usual, you want to come up to week 6, sequence of study and assignments, and you'll kind of go through that. Gives you a list of what we're doing. I did want to point out one thing. On the first task, you will print writing a newsletter. I do want you to notice that this is for your information only. There is no assignment attached to us. So hopefully that'll just give you some information about writing a newsletter. So just wanted to point that out. And then we'll come back down here. Remember week 6, the resource documents. Those are always really important because it has a lot of what you need to do your assignment. So you will watch one of my favorite TED Talks, How to Fix a Broken School. You have a post for that. And then you have a PowerPoint over expressive and reflective writing. And our Schoolhouse Rock. I always think those are kind of fun videos to watch for verbs. So those are things that you'll be watching. And then down here, these are some important documents. We have a PDF for appropriate language. So this comes from the APA handbook. You might want to just glance through that. I find that pretty helpful. Here you have, we're actually getting ready to start our last paper. That won't be due until next week, but it is a graphic organizer that you need to do and turn in. And then you have an expressive and reflective writing PowerPoint to go through. And then here we have that document that I told you that you could read, but there's nothing, no assignment or anything attached to it. And then we have the proper use of commas, commas, colons, and semicolons. And then down here, I did want to talk to you about this a little bit. So here, I don't want you to get confused about this. So it says week 3. We're in week 6, but as you guys know, this class did not do an in-person observation. You're doing the video. So that's why it's in week 6, and I do want to pop this open and show you so you're not confused. So normally, the students who actually do an in-person observation, they fill this out in week 3, and it's the diversity practicum setting profile. You will still fill this out. Okay, because you'll need some of the information for your paper. However, and this is really, really important, I do understand that this is really difficult to get because you're watching a video. So please, please, please do not stress out about trying to get, the exact numbers on it because you may not know. So just just do your best and you'll be fine on that. So, but if you're still having worries or concerns about it, just email me and we can go through it. But nothing really to stress about. So I did want to point that out to you. Okay, so we'll come back here and then we have the grammar refresher. So that is your the resource documents. We'll come back here and we're almost done here. So we have a couple of forms this week that you will reflect on your reading. This is where you put your graphic organizer for the diversity reflection paper. We have a quiz. I'm going to skip this just for a second. I'll come back to it. And then we have the How to Fix a Broken School forum thread. So a couple things going on this week. I do want to go over this. This is not part of our class, the EDU 5111. This is strictly for TaskStream. So some of you may have already done this, but you will go to TaskStream, and you will see where it says dispositions initial assessment. Again, this is nothing that you need to stress about. It's really just a reflection. You're not graded on it. It's part of your portfolio. So again, it's separate from this class. However, it's just a reminder that you do need to get that done. Again, if you have any questions, just email me. So I believe that is it for week 6. As always, please email me, text me. I can do a private Zoom meeting with whatever you guys are doing or whatever you guys need. And then we will have our optional Zoom meeting this Wednesday at 6 if you want to pop in to say hi, or if you have any questions or anything. So have a great week, and I will see you guys soon.